Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated. My name is Andy, and in this video I want to show you how to hang the durock cement board for your showers. So before you bring in a sheet like this in here, so the sheets are typically 3 by 5, which is 60 inches, and I'm exactly at 60 inches here. But keep in mind, you want to know where you're putting the screws, and since this is my outside wall, my beams are not really every 16 inches and they don't go all the way down. So I gotta make sure I know where to put the screws in the center. So what I'm gonna do is go see and measure out how far down they go. So as you can see, this one's very short. It doesn't really go far down. And these are about 11 inches off the ground. So that way I know where to put my screws. So for this to not fall, so I can do the measurements, I'm just gonna put one screw in on here, like that. That way it holds it in place. And now I can do my measurements and marks. So take a pencil and a level, and down the center line, make sure it's level, and just draw a line for each one of these. Measure the marks from the 7th, so 11, so I know that I can't go past this point. And then start screwing it in.
Space the screws about 10 to 12 inches apart. So for the 3 feet width, I have about 4 screws. Continue measuring sections at a time and basically cutting out of multiple pieces, or if you can, out of one entire piece. Like over here, I'm doing one big piece around the window.
Hani, I need your help. Yes, woman, come help me.
What?
My woman is my helper.
What?
I need one screw in the drill.
Which one is screw?
Doesn't matter, black. Thank you. You will be forever remembered for your gracious deeds.
So I had to remove the bottom panel because I wanted to do 2 notches for like a shelf type. So all I did was put some 2x4, a little, I think it's like an inch plank, and screwed them to the side beams for support. For the inside of the notch, I just put a piece of cement board there without attaching it to the wall, since it's drywall and the screws would go straight through to the other room. But I used the sides to kind of clamp it down and screwed the sides in on both sides and top, and that holds that piece in place without having to screw it in. Then I continued cutting the rest of the pieces, and this is how it turned out. So if you like this video, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more bathroom remodel videos.